Off all through the afternoon and evening, and temperatures are cool as well. We would definitely need long pants or a jacket if we were going to go golfing for today. But again, with rain in the forecast, probably wouldn't recommend doing so. Your highs for today will be around 52 for the beach and 46 for inland. Even some lower 40s is all we're going to see along the border belt. Timing things out for the rain, again, right around the morning commute, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning is when it begins, but it will continue into the mid portion of the afternoon. Now, again, it's not going to be raining on you that entire time, but multiple rounds of rain will continue as we go through your Tuesday. Not an abundance of rain expected for tonight nor on Wednesday, but it's still going to be mostly cloudy for tonight and tomorrow as well. Those afternoon temperatures, lower 50s for the Grand Strand. Looks like Georgetown's probably going to be the warmest in the mid 50s, but elsewhere for inland and the border belt, low and mid 40s. Could be even worse than that in Laurinburg, only in the upper 30s for today. As we look at our futurecast, the overnight is mostly just going to be a lot of cloud cover. Winds do begin to turn around on Wednesday, so temperatures will see a little bit of a boost. And again, not a huge threat for rain, but it's still going to be cloudy for tomorrow. And then on Thursday, that's when things begin to get a little bit interesting. There's a strong cold front approaching that's going to bring widespread rain, some heavier downpours, and it's also going to soar temperatures. We have that prefrontal warming with south wind developing. We're in the 70s actually on Thursday. The cold front will move through during the late afternoon and early evening, but again, some decent coverage for rain all the way from Florida extending up into North Carolina and the Virginias. And then beyond that, high pressure around for one day. So we're going to clear out on Valentine's Day. Temperatures will be back in the 50s, but at least for the holiday, the weather's going to be pretty decent and those temperatures are fairly normal for this time of year. Rainfall over the next 7 days. Most of this is going to be from Thursday's event, and then we have another cold front to deal with on Sunday. So between mostly these two events, rainfall could be anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches, but much higher rainfall amounts for other portions of the southeast where the rainfall could be more than a foot. So major series of rain events again for the south. At the beaches for today, winds will be a little bit breezy at 10 to 20. Don't go anywhere. We're back at the top of the hour with your 7-day forecast.
Good morning to you. It's 6 o'clock if you're just waking up. I'm Alexis King. It is Tuesday, February 11th. We're here with meteorologist Hannah Ronner. And okay, we have just had a roller coaster of emotions when it comes to weather. We had our snow boots on, then we had our flip-flops for a little while, and now it's like time for galoshes. Do people still say galoshes? Rain boots? Okay. Rain boots. Okay. I was like, so what? We're just going through like a myriad of weather options here. And I have to say this, and don't take this personally, but like the cloudy, dreary weather along with the cold temperatures just sounds like a bummer. It just sounds like a bummer.
It's like Pacific Northwest. Like that's the kind of weather that you get in like Seattle. Right. Even Pittsburgh is very overcast.
It doesn't sound attractive.
No, but we get that today and tomorrow. Okay. So it's only going to be in the 40s and 50s. It is below average today after we broke record high temperatures on Sunday. Right. That's when we were breaking a sweat. We were in our t-shirts and the flip-flops, and now we have to bundle up, and now we need rain gear. So yesterday it was just cloudy and chilly, but now we're going to have some light showers around, and there is more active weather going on to the north. There is winter weather, ice and snow in Virginia, also portions of Kentucky, just some regular rain in western Tennessee, and then sporadic showers through Georgia, Alabama, and into the Carolinas as well. But overall, we have a higher threat for rain today compared to yesterday, and we can see a couple of those light showers beginning to filter in right now. These are only going to be lasting a few minutes, nothing major. The temperature difference is noticeable for today, so we need regular jackets and then the rain jacket on top, so we're nice and waterproof. We're going to be around 4 to 18 degrees colder this morning, more 30s. If you're not in the 30s, you're right around 40 or 41. Winds slightly breezy, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so a slight wind chill as well. Make sure we have the umbrellas as we go through the morning time. Temperatures are going to be around 41 at 11 a.m., 48 for the beach. But overall, it's just a day where we missed the mark and we're below average. The work week was not off to a very normal start yesterday, especially when we look at the temperature trend. So usually you're going to have your maximum temperature for the day, of course, occurring during daylight hours and usually during the mid to late afternoon. That was not the case yesterday. Our highest temperature was actually a little bit before 1 o'clock in the morning. It was 55 in North Myrtle Beach around that time. It was in the 60s in Florence and 51 in Lumberton. When we got to the mid-afternoon, the temperatures were falling and we were around mid to upper 40s once we got to 3-4 in the afternoon. So pretty unusual, and it's not going to get much better for today. Temperatures are already colder when we compare this morning to yesterday. So at the bus stop, we need a regular jacket, but then we need to put the waterproof layer on top. We have a few chances to rain, mainly through the mid-morning and the early afternoon, but even then not completely safe for the afternoon and also a little bit later into the evening commute. So a few doses of rain. It's all light rain, no stormy weather, but regardless, not a dry day. And even when it's not actively raining, it's going to be just as cloudy as yesterday, and it's still going to be pretty cool all day. So if we time things out, we see those light showers coming out of the southwest through the morning commute and still lingering through the early afternoon. Now, the PD is going to have a several-hour break, and we could see some light showers redeveloping closer to the coast. And again, few stray showers reappear for the PD during the evening time. So at any point in the day, just be wary of a few light scattered showers, but not a washout. There's plenty of dry periods as we go through your Tuesday. The afternoon high temperatures will be a little bit more mild at the coast in the lower 50s, but likely only topping out in the 40s for the PD and also along the border belt. Now, not anticipating a lot of rain into the overnight hours, nor really for your Wednesday. Wednesday will be a few degrees warmer, but still pretty cloudy. Temperatures jump dramatically, though, for Thursday because we have a strong south flow developing ahead of a cold front, which will bring widespread rain to the viewing area beginning during the late morning and early afternoon, not pushing offshore until the evening time. Coming up later in the show, I'll let you know how much rain to anticipate with this system. Alexis?
Hannah, thank